Hi, my name is Amanda Selsky. I'm the Digital Learning Developer here with Arts Every Day, and I'm going to walk you through our digital resource library. To get started, all of our materials, all of the free, high-quality lesson plans, and more are organized by subject. For this example, we're going to explore ELA. Within the Arts Integrated ELA resources, you'll see many different bundles that contain ready-to-go classroom materials and lessons that you can filter for based on your needs and interests. For example, say you want to bring music into your classroom, you can select music under art form. Say you teach wit and wisdom, you can filter by curriculum. And say you teach 6th grade, you can select your grade level here. This brings us to Resilience in the Great Depression, which contains arts integration lessons for grade 6 Wit and Wisdom ELA. Once inside the bundle, you'll see a brief description, along with all of the lessons organized by topic. So, for example, say you click on black and white photography, it will go to a visual arts integration lesson that aligns with Wit and Wisdom Lesson 17. In this description, I can see that we're working with black and white photography from the Great Depression, and making connections between that and photographs by modern-day photographers. If you prefer a print version of the lesson, you can click this printable button here for a download-friendly PDF. All of the lesson information that you need to teach is organized by tab. To begin, we have all of the standards that align with this lesson. In Getting Ready, we have all of the background information that you might need to make this a successful lesson in your classroom, including connections to the end of module task, teacher background, etc. Under Downloads, we have all of the downloadable materials, including video playlist that features demos and tutorials connected to that specific lesson and the bundle as a whole. There's a concept map to better understand the connections between all of the different activities. And finally, some bundles include a Google Drive folder where you can access additional resources and materials like slides, rubrics, handouts, and more. In the Teach tab, you'll find a video tutorial or demo that goes along with the lesson, positioned side by side with the instructions for how to teach the lesson, broken down for you step by step so that way they are easy to follow. Under Brain Connections, we tie the lesson back to neuroeducation informed by Dr. Hardiman's brain-targeted teaching. And finally, under Creators, you can learn more about the amazing teachers and teaching artists who created all of these materials. Going back to the main page, you can find all of our resources in one place under All Resources. In this section, I want to highlight the search bar where, say, for example, you want to incorporate the strategy of Tableau into your classroom. You can type in Tableau, and that will come up with all of the bundles that contain lessons that use or incorporate Tableau in lots of different ways that might work for you and your classroom. Up next, for professional learning, our library isn't just about lessons, it's also about building teacher confidence and capacity over time. Through our Arts for Every Educator courses, you'll find asynchronous courses in dance and movement, visual art, music, along with offerings like the Rhythm Reset and arts integration for multilingual learners. Finally, if you want to learn more about brain science, this link here takes you to Dr. Hardiman's site on brain-targeted teaching.